Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Haven't seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. It's currently 5:58. Dapat talaga 5 gigising na ako kaso nung nag-alarm yung 5, hindi ko kinaya, natulog ulit. So, gumising siya 5:30. I went on a rabbit hole sa TikTok. I've already checked my emails. Grabe, nagulat ako. Mag-aalas 6 na. Pero anyways, ayan, welcome back to another vlog. So, this will be a productive day in my life kasi ang dami natin gagawin for today. Namiss ko mag-vlog ng ganito, yung parang daily life lang. Ayan. Super puffy na mukha ako. Baka may muta pa nga ako. For breakfast, I'm just having Coco Crunch and hot chocolate. Mangantamu. Guys, which one are you? Nauuna yung cereal bago yung gatas o yung gatas bago yung cereal? Ako, always, una yung cereal bago yung gatas. I just think it's weird. Kapag gatas yung una, tas cereal, di ba? So ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa mga comment sa last video. So shoutout kay Ezekiel, JP, The Only Tres, Nicole, Sub, Julius, John Jenver, Bea, Da, Benedict, John Carlo, Adri, Julian, and lastly kay Glenn. So ayan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout sa next video, mag-comment na kayo down below ng 5 AM. Kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout, mag-comment na kayo. And yeah, back to the video. Unsatisfying when you go on YouTube, tapos yung favorite YouTuber mo may bagong upload. So, may papanoorin ka. Meron kayong ganyan pagdating sa akin, di ba? Feeling ko, meron kayong nag-aabang ng vlogs ko. Di ba? Am I your favorite YouTuber? I don't know. The reason why tayo gumising ng 5 AM. Kasi ano pag ginagawa mo, ba't ka naman gumigising ng 5 AM? Kasi we have a lot of things to do. Ang dami kong gagawin for work. Ang dami kong backlogs na gagawin.
Seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human.
It feels good to wake up this early. Grabe. I'm just gonna drink this. I'll see you guys later. Sa office na, I'm a morning person talaga. I don't know why.
But I still think about Nashville. We're staying near the right call. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow.
Hi guys! Welcome to my office. I'm working dito lang sa bahay kasi that's one good thing about my job is that I could work remotely. Ayan, pwede akong hindi pumasok sa office, pwede akong mag-office dito sa bahay. I think that's very perfect for me. As a YouTuber, as a vlogger, as a content creator, kailangan ko talaga ng flexible time. Hindi ako pwedeng maging corporate slave, kumbaga. Tatapusin ko lang yung mga backlogs ko. Konti na lang naman, parang 3 days worth of work. I'm gonna do it today. This is a very productive day talaga. Ang daming ganap, as in, dami kong errands. I really can't show it to you guys kasi medyo confidential to, pero watch me work.
I know that I'll be fine, but I can't help but think about the time when I made it to your first show. Took hours to get there under the weather, but I would do it all again. Where do I go from here? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure.
Nag-ayos lang ako ng konti and I'm actually getting ready to film. Favorite ng lahat na series dito sa channel ko, which is yung favorites video natin. So, mag-film lang ako for this month kasi mahuhuli na naman ako pag di ko pa siya film. Andito lahat ng mga products na ipapakita ko. Ayan, nakalatag na sila dyan. Spoiler! So, hindi ko naman mauna yung favorites video na to bago tong mga to. So, if di nyo pa napapanood, go watch it. Hey guys, it's me, Cedric. So welcome back to my Ding 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 channel. So yeah.
Still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life?
I've finished everything that needs to be done. Ay, sa mga nagtataka pala ako ng work ko, graduate po ako ng engineering. Ayan, engineer po ang kuya nyo. Trabaho ko ngayon, nagmamanage ako ng quarry. Kung di nyo alam yung quarry, buhangin. Ayun. I think I can film one more video, pero this time for TikTok siya. I would like to recommend a book. I got it from Amazon pasabay kay Angel's Bookstore. Pinapasabay niya is mga books from US, yung hindi mahahanap dito sa Philippines talaga. This is the very first BL that I've read sa buhay ko. As in, this is the very first. I adore this book so much. I give this a 5 out of 5 stars. Looking back, parang iniisip ko super kapal na to, pero ang nipis niya lang. Tamang-tama for Pride Month. I really want to reread this. Imagine that. I've read this 3 times already. That's how much I love this book. Tapos, itong book kasi na to, may movie na siya. So, if tinatamad kayong magbasa, panoorin nyo na lang yung movie somewhere. I really love this story growing up. I'm so excited to share it sa mga TikTok followers ko. Itong mga books na to, these are Amazon pasabays din. These are books na hindi ko nakikita talaga sa Philippines. As in, wala sila sa Philippine market. Fully book national, wala talaga. I still have a lot of things to do. If you don't know, we have a small business na food business. So if you're around Pampanga, ayan, like nyo yung page namin. It's Liam by Chef Liam. Bumabagyo ba? So, as I was saying, meron kaming small business. It's a catering business. Co-owners lang kami. Pero siya talaga yung nagluluto kasi marunong naman ako magluto kasi alam niyo naman yung mga try mo to videos natin. Ang gulo mo naman! This is not yours. Bawal sa'yo ito. Nakain ko na. Naglalambing. So, go follow us on Facebook. And kung taga Pampanga kayo, and meron kayong mga celebrations, ganun, papa-order kami for 15 to 20 packs. Meron din kami mga a la carte na services, katulad ng baked sushi. I posted that on TikTok. Super sarap talaga nun. And ever since, we've been getting a lot of orders. So, thank you sa mga umorder ng baked sushi namin. Para matakam kayo, ipapop ko sa screen kung ano yung tsura ng baked sushi namin. Super sarap nun. I'm not being biased. That's the best baked sushi that I've tried. PM lang kayo sa Liam.
Okay, so we're here at the grocery. Bibilan lang namin ng food si Art.
Nakakagutom kasi. Anong sintag dito? Sayote din.
wonder what it's like
We're currently in my vanity area. Why do I feel like I'm about to do something really stupid? I'm just playing with the makeup that I have right now. Hi everyone. So ayan, here's the makeup that I have lying around here. Kasi ang dami as in. Kasi ito po mga to, yung mga skincare. I'm trying to check kasi I'm decluttering. So I'm trying to check yung mga ginagamit ko. I'm testing products out kung pwede pa sila. I stumbled upon this one. So this has been my holy grail dati. Pero as you can see, wala na siyang laman. I feel like discontinued na to. And I really want to keep the packaging. First of all, it's yellow. Nilinis ko yung container and yung cushion yesterday. Grabe, super stressful. Ang hirap. This time, ang ilalagay ko is yung aking favorite skin tint, which is the Isian Co. For some reason, I feel like I'm gonna be regretting this decision. We're gonna do it anyway. Kasi paubos na din naman to and magre-restock na ako kasi naka-sale for 6.6. What I'm gonna do, ilalagay ko siya dito. So, oh my gosh. Nakita niyo ba yung ginagawa ko? Super experiment naman. Easy baka naman. Super loyal. Tingnan niyo naman. Dahil kabukas nyo dito, puro easy yung product. So, gusto nyo mag-send ng PR package. I would appreciate it. Never ko pang na-try mag-reach out sa brand. Like yung manghingi ako ng product. Never ko siyang itatry. Kasi parang nahihiya ako sa brand. I don't know. Sa mga nagtatanong pala, Easy na skin tint. I'm in the shade Beach. Now we're gonna put this, yung cushion. I'm scared. Ayan na. Ibabalik lang natin siya dito. So, let's try kung lalabas dito yung... Ayun! Lumalabas! Okay, mission success! Ay, ang galing. Nabilib sa sarili. There's something I want to unbox pa pala. I bought this kasi dahil yellow siya. So this is the Sol de Janeiro lip balm. And I'm really into lip balms, lip products. We're just gonna unbox it. Kasi I've been hearing a lot of good reviews sa TikTok. TikTok made me buy it again. Ayun siya. So it's basically this. Tapos malaking lip balm. Grabe, ang bango. Amoy siyang bakery. So I'm gonna try it. Grabe, ang sarap naman nito. Ang bango, grabe. This is kinda expensive lang kasi Sol de Janeiro siya. I like it, ang bango. This, diba? Puro yellow yung gamit. Laro. Grabe guys, look at the weather. Oh my gosh. It's rainy season. I'm so at peace right now. I don't know if ako lang, pero favorite ko talaga yung ganyang panahon. Yung medyo maulan. Mostly, mas prefer ko yung gloomy weather, yung hindi umuulan, pero dahil sa sobrang init, sige, masaya na ako sa umuulan. Ang peaceful. So, ganyan tayo mag-vlog. Nangangalkal kasi ako ng mga gamit to bring for my upcoming La Union trip. We're going to La Union in a few days. Nangangalkal kasi ako ng mga gamit, pati mga bag, ganun. I found this Prada na makeup pouch, and it's color khaki or brown or ochre. I immediately fell in love kasi yung kulay niya. Parang siyang mustard na brown. We're gonna fill this up with stuff I think I will need. First, essential tissue, wipes. Love na love ko tong mga wipes na to. Itong mga mini size na wipes. Parang they're very handy to have. Tas ang dami niyang laman. I'll just fit it there. For emergency purposes, ito lagi kong dala. As someone na laging nadjujebs. Poopery, toilet spray, and Lysol spray. Itong Lysol spray na to, ever since the world began, lagi kong dinadala to. Watch my previous What's in My Bag videos. Makikita nyo lagi itong Lysol disinfectant spray kasi I use it all the time. Pwede nyo na din siyang ipang-replace for this one. Kahit ito na lang, ang bango ng cubicle kapag ginamit mo to. And, yun nga, dinidisinfect nyo yung toilet. Lucas Papaw, tinan nyo naman. Super paubos na siya kasi I use it din lagi. For some reason, trip ako ng mga lamok. Lagi, as in, kahit saan kami magpunta, lahat ng friends ko, hindi kinakagat ng lamok. Ako lang yung pilit na kinakagat ng lamok. I highly recommend you buy this kasi for boils, burns, chafing, cuts, cracked skin, gravel rash, splinters, open wounds, insect bites, rash. Kapag nakagat ako ng lamok or kapag nakagat ako ng insekto, Lalo na, magta-travel kami. So, pocket perfume lang siya. Ang perfume na nakalagay ko dito is Hugo Boss Intense. Mas pinapogi na Coca-Cola yung amoy niya. I like it. Syempre, I need to bring hand sanitizer. 100 pesos lang ata to sa Shopee. Sanay ako sa TikTok na pinifilter yung word na Shopee. Sa TikTok, di ba, parang bawal mo sabihin yung Shopee na word. Sa YouTube, kahit sabihin ko pa yung Shopee, Lazada, pwede. Nakita niyo ba? Nag-hesitate ako sabihin yung Shopee kasi masyado na akong na-addict sa TikTok. Dalas ko mag-upload doon as in. If nami-miss niyo masyado si Kuya Sed, punta kayo sa TikTok. Roto eye drops. Holy grail talaga. My eyes get irritated so much. Mapuwing lang ako ng konti. Sobrang irritated na ng eyes ko. Kailangan na kailangan ko to. That's basically everything that's inside this pouch. And I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna show you guys my new setup. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? I bought this sa Shopee lang. This is a, ano ba tawag dyan? Lighting. Lighting siya. In-add ko siya dito sa PC setup ko whenever I want to film ng ganyan. Meron akong lighting dito on the go. So far, I really like it. Okay naman siya, diba? Right now, I'm actually just watching Rai Velasco while I transfer my files. Nire-ready ko yung camera na to kasi I will be bringing it for TikTok. Dahil ang ganda ng weather. It's a perfect weather to read. For the meantime, just gonna read. Tatapusin ko na yung book na binabasa ko. 472 pages in. This is a 600-page book. I think I bought it for Christmas for myself. This Onyx book. Ngayon ko lang siya really nagamit kasi I appreciate how small it is. I will try to finish this book tonight para kapag maglalaon yun ako, iba naman yung babasahin.
The one who gets to share it all. Still it's not like I even really care, but I do.
Okay, maingay. Pero kabibili lang ni Liam nitong Skintific 5x Ceramide na moisturizer. And kabibili niya lang talaga nito as in kakadating lang today. Guys, huwag kayong snitch. Gagamitin natin siya. Gagamitin lang natin siya. I've never tried anything that has ceramides. The moisturizer, it's kind of thick. This will be the first. Testingin ko lang siya today. Huwag kayong ano dyan. I think my skin needs it. Dun sa neck ang excess. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. This has been a very long day. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. And if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the notification bell para di kayo makamiss ng video ni Kuya Sed. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And always remember that it is okay to be a weirdo. Bye!